I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can take my money, steal my car and sell my clothes. You can take the shoes I'm in, go on and take everything. You can have about everything I own. Just leave that old piano, maybe a chair, so I can sit down there and play when I'm old. Take all these things I know, even take the telephone. I heard it said so long ago. Well, I'll be saved by rock and roll. Well, I'll be playing in that band. Well, I'll be praying on our knees. We'll bow our heads and raise our hands. It'll shake us by our soul, and we praise that rock and roll. You can have my home and have the yard. Just leave my one guitar and leave me here, and I can play until the day turns dark. Take all the TV shows, go on, take all I own, and I'll be fine. I'll sit right here and pick. By God, it's good to know. Well, I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can hear them playing every evening. You can hear them playing every day, and they won't stop until they say someday we're all gonna be ringing that bell. One day we'll hear the sounds that could liberate us and take us out of hell. Come that day we see